Yeah. So hi, this is Surya Prakash from EPIT Research Lab Private Limited. So here we are happy to present or introduce a new section in the YouTube. So from today we are going to have all the projects related to software. So actually we are performing the software projects from beginning of our company, but due to some issues we are unable to post those videos. So from today we will post all the software videos also into the YouTube. So that we can share the knowledge transfer, and also we are happy to inform you that these software projects are customized, and it can be customized as per your requirement. So you can feel free to contact us if you have any new idea on the same projects or the other new ideas. So we together build the projects in our new office. So actually I'm into a new office. We have recently launched or opened a new office, and so this is the first time. That is the reason why we are introducing this section. So here in the same scenario, I'm happy to present you a new project which is like customized by one of our client. Like till now we have performed many ML projects, AI projects, software, website, Android applications, and many other. But for the first, like not for the first, one of the projects which has been customized by our customer. So the customer's customization was like not only with the emotion recognition with single thing, like they expanded it such a way that they need emotion recognition using facial, and they need emotion recognition using sound, and they also need to perform emotion recognition based on the pulse data. So for that we have planned all the things together and build a project such a way that it should perform three tasks depending on various circumstances. So let's look into the hardware first. So for this we have named the project as a combination of all these three. So emotional recognition using vision, voice, and pulse. So that is the title of the project. So here let's look into the hardware of the project. So please come, let us see the hardware of the project. So here we see, you are seeing the hardware of the project. So this is Raspberry Pi 4, and here we have auxiliary device. So this device is the pulse data, so it should be of the kit. So this should be connected to the user, like here. So it should be connected at here, and this pulse data should be sent and transmitted to this Raspberry Pi wirelessly. And let's keep it aside. So here we have, this is the kit. Here we have Raspberry Pi and Raspberry Pi camera. We have a microphone, or microphone, and this is the speaker that we we bought from the market, and it is been communicating with the Raspberry Pi. And so this is this kit, but it looks very small, right? So this happens the magic. So the magic happens in here. So the ML operation will be applied in this board and over there. So you can see over the screen the Raspberry Pi is connected to the screen wirelessly through VNC viewer software. So here we will have this viewer. So let me open. So here we have a project code, and let me open it. So before, let it open, and meanwhile let's discuss a few things. Like, so here we have three modes of operation. The first one is the vision mode. In this vision mode, this is the basic and primary operation. So here whenever the camera identifies number of persons, it will alert the user that the vision of camera should contain only one person face. So this is the first condition and the first phase, in the first phase. So if it looks for the only one person, like it finds only one person in the view or frame, then it applies the ML to detect the emotion of that particular person's facial expression. Then the emotion is been carried and processed by the ML, and then the ML generates a text or the emotion text, and that is been given to a particular conditions, and based on the conditions the emotions text is being speak out using this sound box or this amplifier box. So this is one stage. If at all, if this camera does not find any person in this frame, then automatically the mode switch to the voice mode. So this vision mode is switched to the voice mode. Then the voice or this microphone hears for the surrounding voice, and it will detect or it will process the voice emotion, and that emotion is being speaked out in special format. And after that along with this, neither irrespective of both the functionality, if you find the change of bpm or the pulse, then depending on the pulse, like if he has high pulse, it will tell you to control your pulse, and if it is low pulse, it stay remain calm. So let us check the working. So for that, we have this hardware, it's running up, and we need to start up this, so we'll look into it later. And we have the software, so we have the software and it is also running, and we need to run the code. So let me run this code. So the code is up and running. So once the code is run, you can able to see the window. So let us wait till the window get open. So the window got opened, so let me see this. So now you see it has the camera has no view, and right. So now let us go with the implementation. So for that, in Chrome I have opened for different emotions images. So let me go to the Chrome. So let me, right, I just travel here, and I'm showing the all faces in the camera frame, and you see yeah, there's a problem, like I forgot to turn on this device. So let me turn on this device.
Welcome to connecting with Titan. I'm ready to follow your music. The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
So make sure that this is not the sound produced by us, it is default sound. So let me change the mode.
The radio mode, aux input mode.
Perfect. So now it is ready to receive the sound from Raspberry Pi. So let me scan.
Please make sure there's exactly one person in the image.
So now it is asking us to make sure that the frame should contain only one person. So let me get close to
exactly one person in the image. Please make sure there's exactly one person in the image. Video mode, you are looking fearful. Don't get scared, please seek help. Please make sure there's exactly one person in the image. You are looking happy. You are looking happy. You are looking happy. You are looking happy. You are looking surprised. You are looking surprised. You are looking surprised. Video mode, you are looking fearful. Don't get scared, please seek help.
So right, so this is
Video
one
mode,
example.
you are looking sad. Everything is going to be okay.
Right. So so that is how it works with the vision technology. Now you see here we have no frame or no person available in this frame, and it is turned itself into a voice mode. So let us see the working of the voice mode right now. And you see here the hearing is already started. It is hearing my voice.
Audio mode, I heard you felt joy.
I have been feeling the need to be creative. So this is my sentence, and
audio mode, I heard you felt joy.
So it says it's joy. I remember feeling actually distressed for a few days. So it has detected my sentence, and now it is trying to detect the emotion of the sentence on the voice. So let us see whether it detects properly.
Audio mode, you are looking fearful. Don't get scared, please seek help.
Perfect. So this is the best, this is the output I want. So I'm looking fearful. So right, it is properly giving the voice out, and this will continue unless this camera should contain a person face. So as of now the camera is put downward, so there is no person face. It still continues to detect my voice until the language that I speak right now. So it starts keep on detecting the voice. So the next one is detecting the pulse. Based on pulse, it needs to detect the emotion. So let us go here and let's see the device got turned on, and you see it needs to detect my pulse, and I have written over there. So right, device is not connected, but let me.
Audio mode, you are looking fearful.
So you
Don't
see
get scared, please
now
seek
the
help.
pulse. You see the pulse. So zoom to the window.
Heartbeat is abnormal. Control heartbeat.
So it says my heartbeat is abnormal, so I'm removing it.
Heartbeat is abnormal. Control heartbeat.
So now heartbeat
Heartbeat
is
is abnormal. Control heartbeat.
So this is by this we can even monitor and detect the heartbeat also, and this is the device used for that. And we have also already detected the combination of both visual and the voice. So for this more customized project, please contact EPIT Cellular Private Limited, and we will customize your ideas and implement. So let's together enter into the R&D. So just pause. Let me stop it. So right, I just stopped it, and so that's it. Let's together enter into the R&D, and please don't forget to subscribe the channel and encourage these more informative channels instead of like wasting the time in all the channels. So let's together explore the R&D and explore the technology. So this is Surya Prakash from EPIT Reseller Private Limited, Technology at your fingerprints, ready to come forward with a new video on the software projects, includes AML, Android applications, websites, even the blockchain technology. So let's meet in the next video. This is Surya Prakash signing off. Bye.